Today we're upgrading one of the hottest chili plants in the world. Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing awesome. Welcome to day 80. It is Wednesday 6th of May and today we are going to be transplanting one of the hottest chili peppers in the world, the Carolina Reaper. Doing really nice. There are roots on them. It's showing enough that it needs an upgrade, needs a transplant. So what I've done, I put a little bit of soil in the bottom there, just so that when we put the cup in, as you can see, it's quite elevated. So we'll pop this in. Let's take the second one out. We'll pop this in like so. And then what we need to do is start filling the edges, like so. Quarter turn, drop some more in. And then that way you can hold the cup steady in the centre there. So there's always a gap. Always a gap around the edges there. Sprinkle it all in. Quarter turn. There we go. All packed in. All pressed around. So firm enough that it will keep its shape, but not too hard that it's going to stop any of the roots coming through. So like what we've done with our other plants, take hold of the cup, give it a little twist and pull. There we go. And as you can see, that's the perfect size now. So all we got to do is get the cup off the plant and then transfer the plant into the perfect size hole. Place your 4 fingers bunched up over the top of the plant there. So it's nice and safe and secure. Turn them upside down, pinch the bottom and lift. There we go. Look at all those roots. Lovely. Those are the roots of the Carolina Reaper. This is the first one that I've transplanted into a bigger pot. Let's do this. Nice and gentle. In it goes. And then just push down. Just gentle push. Nothing too hard. Just to let it settle in. Fill any gaps. Fill any air in there. There we go. A little push around there. You can sometimes put a bit more soil in, but I think that's okay. So there we have it. One Carolina Reaper transferred from a cup into a larger pot. With everybody else and the rest of the forest, it's all there doing really well. We'll be able to get them all out tomorrow. I'm sure the weather's going to be nicer. The wind's just been a bit too strong, and honestly today it was about I think 11 degrees up until 3-4 o'clock, so it's just a bit too much. There's a bit of risk. I think they'll be fine, but why risk it? That wraps up day 80. I can't believe 80 days on the trot, non-stop, of growing these chili peppers. This journey's been fantastic. I've been enjoying it a lot. Me and Lucy just appreciate you guys and girls out there that are happy to spend a bit of your time, bit of your life joining us. We just appreciate it so much. 89 subscribers. I cannot get over it. I wake up in the mornings with a big smile on my face now, thanks to you guys. It's just really appreciated. I don't mean to keep going on about it, but it really does mean a lot to me. I just want to be honest, upfront and genuine with you guys. Thank you. Starting this channel has been the best decision I think I've made in a long time. Just thank you. Me and Lucy, thank you all so much. We're going to keep on doing this from seed to harvest. And even then, after that, we should be carrying on. We got to get these chilies out there, sold, the farmers markets, and I'll make some hot sauce, dry them, get them out online for everybody to buy and try, and see how it goes, you know. Just thank you all so much for joining us. Make sure you take care of yourselves, eh? You take care of yourselves. Make sure you look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Thank you all so much. Take care, have a wonderful week, and we can see you tomorrow. We'll see you Thursday for day 81. Take care now. Thank you. Bye-bye.